When nothing seems to be working, when everything is falling apart, and you attach no meaning to the things around you, remember something extraordinary is going to happen in your life. Whenever God wants to give you something, He doesn't give you instantly. He gives only after He takes everything from you. Your hope, your trust, your faith, everything breaks down into pieces. First thing He breaks is your illusion about the world around you. The illusion you've created because of which you have the hope that you're going to live this life. That illusion is broken down into pieces and you have to face the reality of life. Secondly, He breaks your control. He takes away your control over people and situations where you felt you were doing everything. You were the one who had built everything. That control is taken away. Because only when the control is taken away by the divine, you surrender to the power of the divine and the Almighty. Surrender doesn't come easily. You have to get down on your knees so that you understand all illusions are broken and you release your power and urge to control things and people around you. Lastly, He takes away your reliance on people. You thought they would be with you for the rest of your life. The trust what you gave to people thinking that they would support you when you badly need them is taken away from God. That's the most painful process of understanding the functioning of the divine when you have given trust to the people around you and that trust is broken. That's when you understand the reality in the functioning of the universe. Your urge to control and your power to control the illusion which you've built around you. This is the most painful process. When you completely shed away this control and your dependency or codependency on the people around you and you surrender to the power of the divine and the Almighty, He holds your hand, takes you out from the painful process. This process is as painful as the transformation of a caterpillar to the butterfly. Because something on the inside breaks down, only then something beautiful emerges out of it. This is how God helps you. He breaks down everything so that He can rebuild something from zero. If you are ready for this breakage, it is, believe me, it is transformative, it is painful. But after this process ends, there's a huge release and you feel that everything happened for my ultimate good. Everything happened, whatever happened to me in this life, believe me, that was for my good. That's when you completely give yourself in the hands of the Almighty. Now starts your process of trusting whatever is happening around you because the breakage has happened and now you are completely free from that bondage of dependency on people, reliance on others, controlling things around you. And believe me, it is completely an alchemy which changes you from inside out. Are you ready for this change? God often makes you go through this transformative process whenever He wants to build you up. And building doesn't happen instantly. It happens when you break down, there's a lot of chaos around you, and ultimately you're able to come out of that chaos and you can see the reality. The reality, what God has laid down for you. The path, what God has chosen for you. Here you completely surrender and you let Him take the control, take the reins of your life so that He can do whatever is the best for you because you've understood that whatever He does is the best for me.